Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to schedule message on WhatsApp for later, like you want to send a message later. So just make sure to download this shortcuts app on your iPhone or Android from your Play Store or App Store and open this app shortcuts. And once you're here you will see like multiple sections: shortcuts, automation and gallery. So just go to the automation section in the middle and click on new automation. And once you click on new automation, you can see like personal automations, time of the day, alarm, sleep. So just click on time of the day. And once you select time of the day, you can change the time. Let's say it's 2:45. So I select it like 2:55 and just click on next. And once you click on next, it will ask you like get started your shortcut, or like you want to select any app. So just go to the send message option from here and just click on like search action. And once you click on search action, just select the app WhatsApp from here. As you can see, WhatsApp is selected. And once you select the WhatsApp, just click on like send a message. And once you select this send a message, so just click on this start icon here and it will ask you like who do you want to send it. So add your recipient. So let's say I have this contact, so I select this one, just click on done. And once you click on done, it will ask you like what do you want to send. Just write down the message like hi, how are you. You can write this message, and once you write this message, just click on done and it will be scheduled for later. So that is the simple and easy process of how you can schedule messages on WhatsApp to send later.